This is an example of the majority of what the keys are on there, like this size right here. And what you have underneath is this plastic scissor hinge that's attached to the key underneath. So what you're actually doing is you're separating this hinge from that key when you actually slide the tool underneath. So let me see if I can give you a side view of this. You can kind of see that right there, how it drops right there. So what you're actually doing when you're separating the two, you're taking this tool and you're sticking it inside this little fold right here. And then when you press in, that snaps that right off. So that's why it's important to go in on the actual sides of it and to think that that fold will be somewhat centered in that key. So if you slide your toothpick, paperclip, or whatever it might be, think that you need to remain in the center of this key. Let's remove the U key. Put your spudger underneath right there. We're going to take this and we're going to insert it underneath this right side over here. And then as we slide it in there, this key is going to separate from the plastic bracket underneath it. And as we do that, we want to put your finger on the edge here. So get that underneath like that. Put your finger on the edge, slide that forward, and your U key comes right off. And then to remove the plastic bracket, just place your toothpick or spudger or whatever pointy device you're using, just place it right underneath that, and that should just pop out right like that. And you can do the same to the other side, and it just comes right off. Now to put your U key back on, take your plastic bracket and place it bottom side in first, and it should seat pretty nice. And then you just push down on the top, and it should snap right in. And just to test to make sure you have it right, you can just make sure that the mechanism hinges up. You can put that in like that, and so it should hinge up and down like that. And you take your U key, just stick it right on top there, and you'll push down until you hear it snap, and you have replaced your U key.
Mac.
Yankees.com.